Welcome to Java World. Java is one of the best choices as a programming language because Java is a fast, efficient, secure, easy to learn, and fun programming language. Now, Java is used to create desktop applications, web applications, enterprise applications, mobile applications, computer games, embedded systems, smart cards, scientific applications, and almost anything else you can think of. There are lots of applications and websites that just won't work unless you have Java installed, and more are created every day. And pretty soon, they'll be created by you. From notebooks to data centers, mobile phones to tablets, game consoles, scientific computers, cell phones to the internet, Java is everywhere. In this course, not only will you learn the Java fundamentals in detail, you'll also get a whole lot of practice with a whole lot of exercises and projects.